Hey y'all, this is Liz with Jelsmaoutdoors, and today I'm going to show you how I make DIY geocaching swag with Shrinky-Dinks. You'll need Shrinky-Dink plastic, which can be purchased at any craft store, templates to trace, or you could freehand, and Sharpies. You're going to place the plastic over the template and trace your outline in black, then flip it over and color in the other side of the plastic. Cut out your shape, leaving a 1/4 inch border. If you're going to put your swag on a keychain, it will need a hole. Place your colored and cut swag on a flat piece of cardboard on a cookie sheet and follow your package's instructions to bake. To finish the swag, cover both sides and edges with clear coat nail polish. Now enjoy your swag!